What's up everyone? I have been searching for a long that how freepik downloader like graphicget and other downloader works really hard that you can easily download any premium vector files like image, PSD, even the EPS file directly by providing only one URL. So in this video we will get to know, and first of all this video is only for an educational purpose, so I'm not gonna promoting and will give you that how you can achieve the system because it is officially illegal for freepik and it will violate the policy of the freepik itself. So if you want to get access to the freepik, I would recommend you to purchase their subscription plan, which will start at very reasonable prices, so you can check their pricing from the site itself. So now let's talk about how this freepik downloader actually works. So as you can see, I have also opened the graphicget.com, which is basically the premium freepik asset for downloader directly from the freepik URL. So first you can see this one is the freepik official site. So if I put up some keywords like premium PSD file, and it will search for the premium files. As you can see, these are the premium files, so I select this one as an example, and you can see this one is wholly watermarked with the freepik, you can see, and also has sign of the premium thumbnail. And in the right top you can see it is saying that go premium, and you have to subscribe for that, which is barely cost 725 INR per month. Because I'm from India, so it will show the INR option. And what people actually do, they will just right click on the mouse and save image as, and then save as JPEG, and then later they will just remove the watermark. So that's not always people want, so they want actual the file like Photoshop, like PSD file, premium PSD, and absolutely free. So what they do, they actually basically copy the URL and just simply go to that freepik downloader and just simply paste over there. They solve some captcha over there and it will show the download lever like loading bar. So it will just scrap the data directly from the premium site, and it loaded the data to the string first of all, and then scrapping the PSD file with their some algorithms, some processes. And the thing I found that they should have used the API. So you can see it's saying that successfully. So if you press the continue to download, you can easily get access to the premium PSD Photoshop. Okay, so you'll get the PSD file from this site. So I have been searching for long this that how this graphicget actually works, how it works. So there is nothing, no options, like you need to know that. So what I find that they use their customized API. So what API stands for? API is something like network call access, so which basically helps, like if you request from the premium server for the PSD file, for one request or per request it will provide you the access from the cloud CDN. Okay, so what I found, this site is called Rapid API. This one is the API house for every API. Now you can see it is saying that now part of Nokia, so it's the stakeholder for the Rapid API. So if I open this and sign up with a default account and go for the search API, so if I select and type for the freepik downloader and search for it, so you can find this one also provides the freepik downloader API, and it is saying that this API helps you download any files from freepik and created by Joshimuddin. Okay, so if I open this link, so you will get this kind of interface. So now I will tell you that how actually this works, like how these downloader sites actually use this kind of API to provide and created your own like business. So you have to go for the pricing also for the freepik downloader. to download using their one credit, $1 or $3 credits, you can see. So they are basically using customized API to generate the call request from directly from their freepik API. So and now next I'll go for the GitHub library. This one is the repository of the freepik downloader. So you can see this one is the live demo of the, so if you put a URL and you press the download, so it will download the image. So there is more details regarding how you can implement it. So you have to clone this to the Python format like Python ID and cd to freepik image. You have to install this all setups, and then after that you need to paste the API key. So you can see if I open this one, so you will get this kind of application key, which is basically the hidden key. So you have to put that key to that after installation the API key, so you can easily create your or host your own freepik image downloader directly like Joshimuddin does over there. So you can see Joshimuddin just simply hosts their API. So you can also directly take a request from the Joshimuddin by providing some credits. So how it actually does, it will open the console. First you need to subscribe to test the API. So first one is the app, so you can change this app name to something like freepik downloader. Then this one is the API key, which is basically our application or hidden key, which is actually used to generate this kind of stuff. And this is one the request URL, basically request from the rapid API. Rapid API basically requested to the freepik downloader, to the freepik cloud CDN to request this file. So how it actually works, so let me subscribe to the test and we will go for the start basic plan. So it is now confirmed. So you can see this one is looking like that. So for testing this, so we'll go for the param, and in the params you will get this URL. So this one, the space where user will put the URL. So we will simply copy this URL as an example and we will put it to this section. We simply paste it like Ctrl V, and it will controlling as a freepik downloader rapid API and external API, and it will basically work on your own input like I have done right now. So to test that, we'll simply press one test endpoint. So after pressing this endpoint, it will load and it will give you the result. So it is saying that if you need custom download limit to business, please contact. So basically it's the hoster who hosted this service, and you will get this download link. So you can see this one is the download link. Simply copy and we will simply go for the open link in a new tab. After that you will get this download file is available, so you can download like that. If I start download, you can see the speed is also 3 Mbps like that, above 2 Mbps. So how this API actually works and how this freepik or graphicget downloader actually works. So what they do actually, they created one site with some input there, and they provided this input over there, and they will format this kind of system. So you can request the JSON, or you can find this text as a raw. So you can see on the raw how it actually works, like access control, and then allow origins, content length, like CDN server actually work. Server is basically the rapid API, and then platform is hosting guard. Okay, these are all systems actually works besides this thing. So I hope you guys understand that how graphicget and freepik downloader actually works, rely on freepik downloader API, and how actually all backend processes established. So if you do understand, you could subscribe this channel and you could like my video over there. You can watch other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.